Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word poured. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She poured herself a glass of wine after a long day at work. Poured in this context means to actively transfer liquid from one container to another in a steady stream, often done with intention or control. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.